You guys can get a picture of the Colorado River. And here it is. Now notice the color of the river. It is like a purple and green color. This is the only place you will see the Colorado River that color. And that is because it is being filtered through the Hoover Dam. When we are in the Grand Canyon, it's like a muddy brown. And that's from all the settlements that are shifting underneath. That is what they said. But what's interesting about the Joshua tree is how you tell the age of the tree. So typically you would take a tree, cut it in half, and then count the rings. Joshua tree is a little bit different. You actually count the arms. Each arm represents 10 years. We just passed one that's over 400 years old. So now you guys can check this off your bucket list, the Joshua Tree National Forest. There are only 2 in the country. California has the other one. So welcome to the Joshua Tree National Forest.
How is it?
Oh, Skywalk, Grand Canyon, Arizona.
Don't ask me. There are a couple of bunkers that are located throughout the Hoover Dam, and one of them in particular has a sniper that is sitting there. It is manned 24 hours a day, and if you even remotely look like you're trying to do anything to the Hoover Dam, they're trained to shoot on sight.